I was walking down the street and I saw some lights, so I came to Western Avenue, 81st Street, to check it out. They have Nypd units blocking the street and Esu truck sitting right there, and it's extremely windy. As you can hear, much it over, so the garden is shakes like leaf. Okay, so I came by on this side of the street on Western Avenue, and I tried to narrate what was going on. That lamppost is extremely tilted and bending over to the left. Every time a gust of wind comes by, it starts shaking back and forth, this and that and the other. The police are letting people through, so I guess it's not in imminent danger of falling, but it really is tilting over. And so I'm gonna check it out for a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna go up because it's quite windy and cold out here. But anyway, there's the lamppost, and I'm sure that somebody's coming to fix it up or take it down. Okie dokie.